Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am your host, Pixelated Turtle, and this video is going to be the first part of a three-part series where I sculpt, texture, and finally render out a cute coast scene. This particular video will focus on the sculpting part. Now, full disclosure, I am not that good at sculpting. In fact, this is something that has been haunting me since the beginning of my CG career. However, I have finally decided to tackle this beast head-on and learn it at my own pace. Therefore, I am starting out with a very simple coast model to just get my hands dirty and become a bit comfortable with it. For those who are curious, I am sculpting using Nomad Sculpt on the Honor Pad 9 using the Magic Pencil 3. Please pardon the mistakes I make while experimenting. My aim with these videos is to keep them as much unedited and authentic as possible. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more CG content. And do forgive the background noise as it just started raining here. Hopefully I will soon upgrade to a better mic. Thank you very much for watching, and do check out part 2 where I textured this cute little critter. Until then, goodbye.